Welcome to my channel. I am going to do exercise chapter 2 Metropolitan Zoo. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. I will solve each and every single step in this video. If you want me to do this assignment, if you want me to do your complete course including Excel assignment, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments or Excel assignments, please contact me on WhatsApp, email that is given in the description of this video. My email and WhatsApp is also showing at the bottom of the screen as well. You can have me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, or writing assignments, or programming assignments, information technology, computer sciences, etc. So you can have me and I will produce A grade for you in your courses. I have been doing courses for students since 2015. You can also have me for your courses and I will produce best grade for you. So let's start this assignment and solve this assignment from step 1 to end so that you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want to complete your assignment, please watch this complete video. Please subscribe to my channel and also like my video. So let's move to the instruction file. So title of the assignment is EXP19 Exercise Chapter 2 Capstone Metropolitan Zoo. So this is the second chapter of exercise section of my IT Lab course. So first step of the assignment is to download the database file. So we are supposed to download the database file, that is EXP19 Exercise Chapter 2 Capstone Zoo. So I have already downloaded this one. This is the access file that we are supposed to use to get this assignment done. We will apply all the instruction steps in this document. So I have already downloaded this. So first step is just about downloading the file. So we will move to next step, that is step number 2. So in step number 2 it is saying that create a new table in design view. Add the field name exhibit ID with the auto number data type. Add the caption exhibit ID. Set the exhibit ID field as the primary key for the table. Save the table using the name exhibits. Okay. So basically we are supposed to create a table and we will create the table in design view and then we are supposed to add the field name, first field name, that is the exhibit ID, and we will permit it as the auto number data type. Then we will add the caption for this field and then we will set this field as the primary key and then we will save the table as the exhibit. So let's go to the file and create this table in the design view. So we will move to design the file. So click on create and we are supposed to create a table. So you will go to the table tab. This is the table tab and we are supposed to click on the table design because we are supposed to create the table in design view. So first we are supposed to add the field name exhibit ID. So I will simply copy this one and will paste it there, but I can type it there as well. So first one is exhibit. So first one is the exhibit ID. This one. So I have added the field that is the exhibit ID with the auto number data type. So data type should be auto number. So we will select the auto number from here. This is the auto number. So exhibit ID, data type is the auto number. Then add the caption exhibit ID. So now we are supposed to add the caption. So we will go to the caption here and we will type exhibit ID. This is the caption and now after that it is saying that set the exhibit ID field as the primary key for the table. So now we are supposed to set this as the primary key. Just click it to select this one and click on the primary key. Now you can see the primary key symbol is there. It is saying that this field is a part of the table primary key. So we have set this as a primary key. After that we are supposed to save the table and name the exhibits. So let me save this one. So we will save this as the exhibit. So we have created a table exhibits in the design view. That is all about step number 2. So now we gonna move to step number 3, where we are supposed to add the field to the table. So it is saying that add the following fields and set the field property as shown. So now we are supposed to add these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are supposed to add these 6 fields to the table. So we will start from first one. First one is the exhibit's name. So name should be the exhibit name. This is the first one. So data type should be the short text and field size should be 15. So we will make it short text, and field size we will change this field size to 15 because we are supposed to use the field size of 15. So we will type 15 here. So we added exhibit's name. Data type is a short text and field size is 15. It's not exhibits, it's exhibit. So then it is saying that caption should be the exhibit name. So we will add the caption to this one. That should be exhibit name. Exhibit name. So we have added the second field and we added the caption and the field size for this one. Now we will move to the third one, that is this one. So I will just start copying and will be pasting there. So this one is the second one. So I will copy this from here and type it here. Data type is number, so we will select the number for this one. Then next thing to do is field size should be integer, so we will change the field size to the integer, this one. And next is caption should be none, so we will not add any caption for this field. So now we will add the third field, that is the initial cost. So initial cost, and data type should be the currency, so I will change the data type to the currency, this one. Then there is no field size given, so we will not use any field size, but caption is given, so we will type the caption, that is the initial cost. So I will type the initial cost in the caption for the third field, so type initial cost here. So we have added 3 fields. So now the fourth one is yearly cost, this one. Then data type should be the currency, so we will select the currency for this one as well. Then there is no field size, but the caption is given, that is the yearly cost, so we will type the yearly cost in the caption, so this one. So we have added this field as well. Now let's move to the fifth one, that is the date opened. So I will copy from here. So basically we are creating a table using these field names. So data type should be date and time, so we will use the date and time for this one, this one. And the next thing to do is no field size, but the caption is given, that is the date open. So let's type this one in the caption. Now we will add the last one, that is the show. And it should be yes or no. Data type should be yes or no. There is no field size given, there is no caption given. So we have added all these 6 fields to the table. We have made the changes in the data type according to the instruction. Then we have put the caption for these fields. So this is all about step number 2. So we have completed step number 2. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 4. So step number 2 and 3 is completed. Now we are doing step number 4. it is saying that switch to data sheet view and the save the table. Add the following records, letting access assign the exhibit ID. So now we are supposed to add the record into the table. So we will go to the data sheet view. You must first save the table, click yes. Now we are supposed to add the table, but the exhibit ID will be automatically assigned to each and every record. So we will start from the exhibit name. So first one is Asia. So I will start copying and will be pasting there. It should be exhibit name Asia. It should be true. Then cost is also given. So I will be copying the initial cost and pasting there. Cost is given. Then the yearly cost is given. Then after that, date opened is given. After that, show level should be yes. So I am checking this box for the show level. So it is yes, I am checking this box. So I have added the first record. Now second record is Africa, this one. So I will add the second record now. Then acre should be 4 and the initial cost is this one. Acre should be 4 and initial cost is also given. Then the yearly cost is given, date opened is also given, and show level is yes. So yearly cost is here. Then date opened. This is date open, show level should be yes, so we will check this box again. So we have added 2 records. Now the third one is the Americans. The Americas, this one. Acre should be 3 and initial cost is this one. And initial cost should be this one. After that we have yearly cost. And then we have date open and the show level should be no. So date open is this one. And now we will not check this box because show level is no for this one. So we have added these 3 records in the table. Now we are supposed to close the table. So let's close this one. So in this way we have completed 4 steps for this assignment. Now we're going to do step number 5. So I am showing you step by step how you can complete this assignment. So we have completed 4 steps. Now we're going to complete step number 5. So step number 5 is import the download zoo.accdb workbook as a new table in the current database. So now we are supposed to import the Excel file in the current database using the import spreadsheet wizard. Specified that first row contains column heading. Set the animal ID field to be indexed with no duplicates and set the animal ID field as a primary key. Import the table with the name animals and do not save the import steps. So in this step basically we are supposed to import the table and we will then check the column. First row contains the column heading, then we will make the auto feed animal feed ID index with no duplicates, then we will set the primary key and then we will save that table. So that is step number 5. Total steps in this assignment are 15 and we are doing step number 5. So let's go to the data book. Now click on the external data, then click on the new data source. So we are supposed to use the Excel sheet. So we will click Excel. Now we will select the file that we are importing. So I will go to my location and I will select file that is zoo. So select this one. So we have selected this one. After selecting this one, just click OK. Now we are supposed to import the animal table. So click next. Now it is saying that first row contains the column heading. So we are supposed to check this box. First row should have the column heading. So we'll check this box and click next. So now we are supposed to make this yes but no duplicates. It should be yes but no duplicates. After selecting this, click next. So now we are supposed to select the primary key. So we will click on the choose my own primary key, and we are supposed to set animal ID as the primary key because it is mentioned in the instruction animal ID field as the primary key. So click next. Now we are supposed to import the table as animal because it is mentioned name the table as animal. So don't change it and click finish. Now we are not supposed to save the import step, so please don't check this box and click close. So now you can see that animal table has been imported to the database. So that is all about this step. So in this way we have completed 5 steps so far. So now we gonna do step number 6. So step number 6 is saying that view the animal table in the design view and change the field size of the animal ID field to the long integer. Change the field size for the exhibit ID and the trainer ID fields to long integer. Save the table, click yes in the dialog box indicating that some data may lost. Close the table. So basically we are supposed to make some changes in the animal table. For this we will open the animal table in the design view first so that we can make changes in the animal table. So click on it and then right click here and go to the design view. So first thing to do is change the field size of the animal ID field to the long integer. So animal ID field is here and we are supposed to change the field size to the long integer. Click on it and select the long integer for this one. So we have changed the animal ID field size to long integer. Then next thing to do is change the field size for the exhibit ID and the trainer ID fields to the long integer as well. So let's go to the exhibit ID. So this is the exhibit ID and we are supposed to make the field size to the long integer. Select this one. After this, for the trainer ID we are supposed to make the field size to the long integer as well. So we will select the long integer for this one as well. After this is saying that save the table and click yes in the dialog box indicating that some data may lost. So now we are supposed to save this one and a warning will appear here. Some data may lost, so we will click yes and we are done with step number 6. So we have solved 6 steps this assignment so far, and now we're gonna do step number 7. So basically total steps in this assignment are 14 and I am doing step number 7 now. So step number 6 is begin establishing relationship in the database by adding the animal, exhibits and the trainer table to the relationship window. Close the show table dialog box, resize the field list so that the all field display. Create a one-to-many relationship between the exhibit field in the exhibit table and exhibit field in the animal table. So let me explain. Basically we are supposed to create the relationship between the tables in this database. For this we will first add all these 3 tables, then we will start creating the relationship. So let's go to the sheet, then let's go to the database. So close this one and go to the create. So now we are supposed to create the relationship. For this we will go to the database tool and we are supposed to create the relationship. So click on it and we will first add the tables. So first we are supposed to add all these 3 tables. So we have added all these 3 tables. Now after that close this one and now we will start creating the relationship. First relationship is create a one-to-many relationship between the exhibit ID fields in the exhibit table and the exhibit ID field in the animal table. So let's resize these ones so that we can see all the field names. So now we can see all the field names. So we are supposed to create a relationship between the exhibit ID field in the exhibit table and then exhibit ID in the animal table. So we will press and hold the exhibit ID in the exhibit table and we will leave in front of exhibit ID in the animal table. So you can see that a one-to-many relationship we are creating, and now we are supposed to enforcing referential integrity. Select the option to cascade update field related. So check this box, enforce referential integrity and cascade update field related, and click create. So we have created our first relationship between the exhibit ID field in the exhibit table and the exhibit ID field in the animal table. So that is all about step number 7. So let me do one more step for you, then I will give you an overview for the remaining steps. So we have completed 7 steps so far. I have shown you how you can complete those steps. Let me do step number 8 now. So step number 8 is create a one-to-many relationship. So now we are supposed to create another relationship between the trainer ID field in the trainer table and the trainer ID field in the animal table. Enforce referential integrity. Select the options to cascade update to related field and save the relationship window. So now we are supposed to create the relationship between the trainer ID in the trainer table and the trainer ID in the animal table. So we will select this one and we will drag to the animal table, this one. So now you can see that we are creating a one-to-many relationship between the trainer ID field in the trainer table and the trainer ID field in the animal table. So we are supposed to check this box because enforcing referential integrity and also cascade update related field. So this is the second relationship we are creating in the trainer ID field between the trainer ID field in the trainer table and the trainer ID field in the animal table. You can see from here well. Trainer ID field in the trainer table and the trainer ID field in the animal table. So click create. So you can see that we have created a relationship between trainer ID field in the trainer table and the trainer ID field in the animal table. This is the second relationship, and the first relationship was between the exhibit ID field in the exhibit table and the exhibit ID field in the animal table. So we have created 2 relations so far. So I have completed 8 steps and I have shown you how you can complete those 8 steps. Now for the remaining steps I will give you an overview so that you can match your assignment to this one. If your assignment is matching to this one, then you are going to get 100 out of 100. After that I will submit this assignment and I will show you the grade for my student, how much grade he get in this assignment. So let me give you an overview for the remaining steps. So we are left with step number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So let me give you an overview for these steps because I have shown you complete 8 steps from step number 1 to step number 8. So you can complete those 8 steps by watching this video, but for the remaining steps I am just giving you an overview. Thank you so much. Let me give you an overview for the remaining steps. So in step number 8, it is saying that create a step number 9. Create a query using the simple query wizard from the animal table. Add the animal ID, animal type, and the date of last checkup field. Ensure that query is in the detail query. Name the query checkup list and finish the wizard. So I have already created this one. Let me show you this one. So you can see that checkup list query is here. I have created this one for you, and you can also complete this by following the instruction given in step number 9. So step number 10 is view the query in design view and then set the criteria for the date of last checkup field so that only the name whose last checkup was before 1/1/2022 are displayed. So I have already done this one in this query. Then it is saying that sort the query in descending order by the last days of last checkup week. So these 3 steps are just about related to checkup list query that we have created. First we will create the query in step number 9, then in step number 10 we will apply the filter, and step number 11 we will again sort this in descending order. So in step number 12 it is saying that create a query in design view, add the animal exhibits and trainer table so the query design window. So then we are supposed to save this query as the America's exhibit. So you can see that I have already created this query as well. So I have followed the steps, I have followed all the requirements given in step number 12 and 13. Then I have created this query. Step number 14 is also related to this query, so I have done this one. So this final version will have 3 tables and 3 queries. So I have solved this one for one of my students, and he submitted and got 100 out of 100. I will show you now grade for this assignment. If you want me to do this assignment for you, just contact me and I will do this assignment for you. I can do this complete course for you, including Excel assignment, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, and Access assignments. You can help me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, or writing assignment as well. So let me show you the grade for this assignment. Now you can see that I have submitted this for one of my students. He got total score 100 out of 100. You can see the title of the assignment here. That is EXP19 Access Chapter 2 Capstone Zoo. So I got full points in each and every step. 9 out of 9, 10 out of 10, 6 out of 6, 8 out of 8, then again 8 out of 8, then 10 out of 10, 5 out of 5 and 5 out of 5, 9 out of 9, 6 out of 6 and 6 out of 6. So I have submitted this for one of my students. He got 100 out of 100. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, you can contact me and I will do this assignment for you. I will produce A grade for you in this course. You can have me for your other courses as well. So I have shown you this complete assignment in this video. You can get your assignment done by watching this video. But if you want me to do your assignment, you can contact me. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen as well. So just contact me on WhatsApp or email and I will do this course for you. I will do this assignment for you, and I am sure that you will appreciate my work and you will get A grade in this assignment. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video and comments to my video. If you have any question, please leave a message and I will respond to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video.